In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in AutoCAD. We will cover the two main ways to place text: multi-line text and single-line text, and finish with a quick note on editing. By the end, you will know exactly which tool to use and how to place clear, readable annotations in your drawings. Let's start with multi-line text, often called mtext. This is best when you need paragraphs, notes, or multiple lines that should wrap neatly inside a defined area. To begin, type T or mtext and press enter. AutoCAD will prompt you to define the text box. Click your first point, then set the width of the text box either by entering a width or by dragging to the right to visually size it. That width controls how your lines wrap, so choose something that fits the area of your drawing where the note will live. Once the box is set, the text editor opens. Type your text directly in the editor. You'll see standard formatting options on the ribbon. Use them if you like. But the key is to get your content in clearly. When you are done, click outside the box or choose Close Text Editor on the ribbon to finish and place the text. Now, for quick labels or short callouts, single-line text is usually faster. Type DT or text and press enter. Click the start point where you want the text baseline to begin. AutoCAD will then ask for a text height. This is measured in your drawing's units, so pick a value that reads well at your intended scale. Next, specify the rotation angle. 0 keeps text horizontal. Other angles tilt the text if you need it aligned to a feature. After that, type your text. When the line says exactly what you need, press enter twice to finish. Each single-line text entry is its own object, which makes it easy to move or line up labels one by one. Editing is straightforward for both types. Simply double-click any existing text to open it for editing, make your changes. Then click outside the editor or use Close Text Editor to finalize. This approach keeps your annotations up to date without recreating them. With these tools, you will keep your drawings clear, professional, and easy to read. Thanks for watching.